So first things first, actually setting up your shop within your Squarespace site. So when you log into your Squarespace site, and this is the back end of mine, you want to head over to the left-hand side, which is your main navigation, and click Pages. And here we're going to put the page, the shop, in the not linked section. And that's just because we're going to be building it out. We don't want it to be within the primary navigation or secondary navigation where it's easily accessible and clickable. Just because it says not linked doesn't mean there isn't a URL. So somebody could potentially land on this page if it's enabled, but the likelihood of that is probably slim. So we're just going to click the plus sign right next to not linked. And we're going to find the area that says products. So right here. And as soon as that pops up, it says new products. So I'm just going to put in here Skillshare products, but you can label it whatever you want for your page title. So I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to take me to this brand new screen. Obviously, we haven't added any products in, so that's what our next step is going to be. So when you are ready to add a product in, you want to look for the plus sign on the top right corner. I'm going to click that, and here you can see the 4 different types of products. It's important to know that you have to have a business plan or one of their commerce plans in order to sell items. And those items are split into 4 different categories. So physical, so where you actually ship something out. Digital, so digital download, and the customers will receive a link to that file that only lasts for 24 hours, and that's to prevent people from sharing that download with other people who haven't paid for it. A service, such as web design, graphic design, or the like. And then gift card, which you'll notice is grayed out here. That's because you have to have a commerce plan. You have to be on Commerce Advanced plan on Squarespace, which is their highest plan. And this website in particular isn't on that plan. But when we go through that section, I'll walk you through how to set up a gift card. Gift cards they can be applied towards future purchases. They're only digital within Squarespace as of now. And so you'll be able to have customers purchase gift cards for your store to give to other people that are then emailed to those specific customers. So next is walking through how to set up a physical product itself and all of the different components of that. So let's continue.